Hello Mpume, this is the first part of the tutorial. We're making about 5 small 10-minute tutorials and taking you through a few different steps. First step I'll start with is just updating the website, keeping it up to date and all the plugins and software up to date so that your site stays healthy and fast. Also taking you through backups and then also the setup of the how to manage your job listings. So let's start from the start. How to log into the WordPress backend, which is what your website is built on. So you'll go to your website, cleanspot.co.za, type in /wp-admin. That'll take you to a login page. Where you'll put in your username and password. Make sure you tick remember me. I'll email you separately your username and password. Okay, so once you're logged in, this is what you'll see. This page is called the dashboard, and that's what it automatically loads to when you log in. There's your dashboard. So what we're going to get into today is backing up, and let me just add your privileges so that you can do backups as well. Okay, so you'll see this is looking a bit different now. And so the first thing we're going to notice is that it's this bit here. It says 38 changes were made to the website since its last backup. Then you've got all these little notifications here, 6 and 1. What that means is that you've got plugins that are out of date and possibly even a theme. So the first thing, before we ever do any updates of plugins and WordPress itself, we're always going to go to the backup section. So you can just click backup now, or you can go to backup, to the backup in the navigation menu on the left, and then click backup. So we're going to do a complete backup. It's going to go through all of these processes. Just be patient while it does this. It can take a minute or two sometimes, and then once it's finished, you'll get all of the 6 ticks here, and then you'll get these big buttons, big blue buttons. Just click download backup, and that will save a backup of your website to your computer. Alternatively, you can send it to your drive if you have Google Drive. And you can see now that the website is being, or the backup of the website is being downloaded. So while it's downloading, you can actually still make other changes to the website. So now that the download is taking place, we can go into the plugins section, which definitely requires updating. Updating your plugins or keeping them up to date helps keep the website secure from potential hackers, and it also keeps the website loading as fast as possible. Please note that in very, very rare cases, once you update a plugin or WordPress itself, there can be glitches on the website. So the way I recommend you do your backups, so your updates, is to do one at a time. So if there is a plugin that needs an update, you'll have this orange bar, and then there's a little button here to say update now. So I'll do 1. Once you click update, don't navigate away from this page. Don't click any other links. Wait until this tick has come up and it says updated. Then I'm going to open the site to make sure that the site has not been affected by that particular plugin update. The reason why we do it one by one is because then if the website does get broken, you know exactly which plugin caused the breakage or the glitch. So that is all looking fine. I can move on to my next one. Again, I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to refresh the page to make sure that nothing's gone haywire. Okay, all looking good. So I'm going to run through all of these in the meantime. and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, all those are updated. Now there's another couple of updates that we're supposed to make, and that is to the themes, which is the theme is what gives it an extra bit of functionality, and it also makes the website look a certain way. So to get to those updates, you'll click this little icon here, or you could go to this one, and you can see here that it's taken you to this page. So I actually recommend that you don't update the WordPress themes because it can cause breakages, and rather maybe once a year you can let me know and I can do